further.
I like the steps she does.
The best one ever was at the baseball game, and Paul was sitting in front.
You coming
of
for your sunflower seeds?
And
Flower seeds.
Troy
Oh, flower
started
seeds.
Flower seeds.
teaching
Hold your
Lily
paw
how
out.
to
Give me
do
your
it.
paw.
She rocketed a perfect shot right off the back of PJ's head. It was freaking beautiful. Yeah, it was like, she was like,
Wait a minute, that one's junk.
bonk off his
That one's
head.
junk.
I need to see this, girlies.
You gotta,
Pretty good.
Show me. Oh, look, they got to go back to their positions.
They're spitting sunflower seeds. Uncle Troy just taught them.
This is
Good.
no,
hysterical.
Lily's known for a while.
The redneck girls.
Good one, I gotta tell you.
I think if
She picks out these outfits and then she goes.
I think that if Marissa had her princess dress on, it would be.
What's she in?
Let me see. Let me see, Marissa. Show Auntie. Show Auntie. You guys are silly.
Yeah, I do. What? You need one?
Hey, Kendra,